Hey you guys, and welcome back to Dad Family 5. On today's video, you'll be getting a little bit of Christmaspiration, okay? Thank you so much for being here and spending your precious time with us, because time is also precious. We hope that you are having a wonderful holiday season thus far. Please remember those who are not having a good holiday season due to whatever situation that's going on. Keep them in your prayers and your thoughts, good thoughts. And and good vibes sent to them. All right, y'all be blessed. Let's go ahead and get started with this Christmas music and this Christmaspiration. Yeah.
Gather around the fireplace, and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance. Come on. We're gonna dance, have a good time, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
All right, y'all, I'm about to go ahead and speed this up. I was already in the groove of singing Christmas in my heart, because that is my jank to start off the Christmas since we've been doing this YouTube jank for the last almost 4 years, 4-year anniversary coming up. This is not a sprint. This is a journey and a marathon. So remember that if you are going to start your YouTube channel. All right, let's go ahead and get this stuff together and speed it right on up. Love you guys.
Please jingle with me, darling. How much fun it's gonna be together. Now listen, why do I care how much it may snow? 'Cause I've got my love to keep me warm. And why do I care how much it may snow?
let me go ahead and introduce myself and my husband. That is Douglas. My name is Atoya, and we are Dat Family 5. We have 3 girls and a whole host of animals in our house. On this channel, you get DIY inspiration, you'll get cleaner motivation, anything else that we decide is to vlog to show you how our family lives and just enjoying life that God has given us, okay? So y'all continue with listening to your music and getting some of this Christmaspiration, all right? I think I made up a new word, Christmaspiration, okay? And then, yeah, y'all enjoy. Thank you for being here. Don't forget to click that like, them thumbs up. Don't forget to go ahead, go down to the red banner down below. Make it gray to join our family. And thank you for being here.
But I want you. Them go tell you you should fall back. Deep inside you know that I go make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. Yeah, make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. Yeah, she turn it up like a radio. 10 out of 10, that's my baby, yo. Knows how to make me go crazy, yo. Hey, my baby is something, rolling her eyes just to let me know. Sometimes we argue like here we go. When we make up, it's a movie, though. Hey, I can never get enough, babe. Feels like I've known you, girl, all my life. When I'm with you, nothing else matter, you know that. Nothing else matter, don't go back. I don't they wait on you for too long, but I want you. Them go tell you you should fall back. Deep inside you know that I go make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. Yeah, make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. My babe goes lovey-dovey, yeah. Oh, my babe goes lovey-dovey when I'm around you. Yeah, when I'm around you, girl. Make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. Lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. I can never get enough of it.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
Y'all, these are my babies, my first and my third. I think the second was at work. She just put, or she was out with her friends. I don't know. Y'all know once they turn 18, they don't want to be doing nothing with your family. No, I'm joking. Anyways, so my first on the 17th, she will have become 20 years old, and she's been talking about making memories, going places and things. And you know, when you get to this part of life when you're almost an empty nester, you know, it's one of those things of, yeah, y'all, I'm trying not to get teary-eyed thinking about it, but yeah, I love my babies, and I know y'all love y'all babies. And so, yeah, as we get into this part of life, I want to hear from other parents who have already gone through the adult childhood rearing, I guess, and put down in the comment box below of yeah, how did y'all deal with it other than with prayer and therapy? Because right now, me and Douglas are having a hard time with this first one, y'all. Okay, let's get back to this.
Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. Da, 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 da. Oh, oh, oh. Da, 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 da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again. To see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hanging by the fire chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
It's white outside, and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. Oh, snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love, and with joy and laughter. Let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today. Oh, snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. Snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you.
Hey, how you doing, guys? This is not Latoya. This is Douglas speaking. Hey, thank you for sticking through the video this far. We appreciate you. We love you. I'd like you to like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And thank you in advance for your subscribe and likes. Alright, you guys have a blessed holidays, Kwanzaa, Hanukkah, Friendship, whatever you celebrate. Have a blessed and lovely holiday.
Only you and me. I'll be making plans.